أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back to another lesson. We are still in Surat al Baqarah and we're on Ayah number 149. Okay, 149, and we are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن حيث ومن حيث, not حيث, very common mistake. Some places they read it like that, but it is incorrect. ومن حيث خرجت. Remember the jim has a slight qalqala, is one of the letters. ومن حيث خرجت فولي. Okay, فولي, shadda on the lam. فولي وجه. Again, there's a jim, right? So it's a harf of qalqala. وجهك شطر. Now shata, this ta is also qalqala. وجهك شطر. Now شطر we're going to mix with al-masjidi. So everybody knows by now, you would read shatar al-ral, because this drops, go straight to the lam. Shatar al-masjidi. Masjidil harami. Right? So from here I would read al-masjidil haram, but you're mixing from here. So shatar al-masjidil dil haram. Okay, so dil, the alif lam, this drops, go straight to the lam. Dil haram, the alif extends the ra. Masjidil haram, as opposed to masjidil haram. Right, haram. Al-masjidil haram. Those are the simple mistakes. If you pay attention, it would really help your reading a lot, because sometimes it's the simple things you don't notice that ends up making mistakes. وَإِنَّهُ. What's happening with the noon? Noon with a shadda makes it hunna. وَإِنَّهُ. So there's a slight nasal sound to this, right? The forget what it's called at the moment in English, but that when you hold the letter and there's a slight nasal vibration with it. وَإِنَّهُ. This just extends the ha just a teeny bit. وَإِنَّهُ لَلْحَقُّ. Lam fatha la, lam sukun lal, haqqu. Min rabbika. Now what did we say about min rabbika? The ra has a shadda, so the noon is a noon sakina, noon with a sukun. It assimilates with this ra, so the noon drops and it's almost like you read it right into the ra. Mir rabbika, mir rabbika. وَمَا اللَّهُ. وَمَا, then you mix with the name of Allah. This drops, you go straight, and this is a sukun. So وَمَا اللَّهُ. Okay, وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ. وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ. Right? Sorry, we don't do too many English translations, but Allah is not unaware of what you are doing. Okay, بِغَافِلٍ. Allah is not unaware of what you are doing. وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ. Next ayah. وَمِن, again, right? Same words. وَمِنْ حَيْثُ. So I'm not going to go too much because this is actually repeated just in the last ayah. So وَمِنْ حَيْثُ خَرَجْتَ وَمِنْ حَيْثُ خَرَجْتَ فَوَلِّ وَجْهَكَ شَطْرَ الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ. Almost same thing. وَمِنْ حَيْثُ خَرَجْتَ فَوَلِّ وَجْهَكَ شَطْرَ الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ. Okay. وَحَيْثُ ما كنتم وحيث ما كنتم. Why is that? Because the noon has a sukoon followed by ta. That's ikhfa, where you elongate it just slightly. وَحَيْثُ مَا كُنْتُمْ فَوَلُّوا. So فَوَلُّوا. Lu, there's a shadda on the lam. فَوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ. What's the waw doing there? The waw there is extending the jim, not jim. Some places, we won't say where, they say it like that. Jim, wujuhakum. Okay, that's wrong. ما كنتم فولوا وجوهكم شطره. Now it's شطره, a slight extension. شطره لئلا يكون. What's the waw doing? Extending the kaf. لِأَلَّا, there's a shadda on the lam with a longer alif, or excuse me, just an alif. So لِأَلَّا يَكُونَ. What's happening here? This is a lam, right? This is another lam. لِلنَّاسِ. So you're going straight from this lam into the noon because it's a huroof shamsiya. لِلنَّاسِ. But it's also hunna. So that's why you hold it a little. لِأَلَّا يَكُونَ لِلنَّاسِ. Like that. عَلَيْكُمْ. حُجَّةٌ إِلَّا. And then you mix with this. This drops, goes straight to the lam. إِلَّا الَّذِينَ except those, right? You see these words a lot. Illa means except. الَّذِينَ, those. ظَلَمُوا إِلَّا الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا مِنْهُمْ, except those who wrong themselves, or those who wronged, except those who committed oppression or wrong from amongst them. Inshallah, this is a little preview. I'm thinking still if I should translate or not. Inshallah, it's a thought. We'll see how you all feel. إِلَّا الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا مِنْهُمْ فَلَا تَخْشَوْهُمْ وَخْشَوْنِي. Let's break this down. So show, because you got the waw and sukoon. Show hum wa, but this dropped, right? This is a Hamza al wasl. It drops. This goes straight into the, mixes with the kha. وَخْشَوْنِي فَلَا تَخْشَوْهُمْ وَخْشَوْنِي. I would like to translate this one. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, do not fear them, but fear me. Okay? وَلِأُتِمَّ. So this meme you're going to hold. وَلِأُتِمَّ نِعْمَتِي عَلَيْكُمْ وَلَعَلَّكُمْ. Lam on the, shad on the lam. لَعَلَّكُمْ. What's going on here? This is a ta, dal, waw, noon. And this is a sukoon over the ha. So, وَلَعَلَّكُمْ تَهْتَدُونَ وَلَعَلَّكُمْ تَهْتَدُونَ. We did just one ayah, a longer ayah. No, actually we did 2 ayahs. So inshallah we'll have another video up really soon. Jazakumullah khair. Allah bless you all. Continue to pray for me. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.